Hey there, YouTube. Welcome back to the Old Farts Garage. And I hope, you all had a great Thanksgiving holiday. Unfortunately, I was sick through the whole holiday, but I'm looking forward to Christmas. I hope you guys are too. Anyways, today we are not working on the truck because it's like super windy. It's been raining off and on. There's no way I can get out there and work on it. And honestly, I don't like the winter. I don't like being cold. It doesn't motivate me. I prefer spring and summer, because I'm warmed up and I get motivated. I hate being cold, okay? So anyways, but today we're not working on the truck or doing anything like that, but we're going to do a small review. All right. And the review today is on, this is the WILEY X glasses. Okay. And we'll get to these here in a bit. So why am I doing a review on glasses? Well, because this happened. Okay. Yeah. Luckily, I have a backup pair, which I'm wearing right now. All right. But as you can see, yep, we snapped right there in the middle. Okay. And you can see I got paint, primer and paint all over them. Okay. These are, they're just, they get messed up. I'm sure a lot of you guys that wear glasses that do this kind of stuff, auto body and stuff like that, kind of know what I'm talking about. Okay. And the reason they broke on me like this is because normally I use one of these kind of respirators, all right, just to cover up, your nose and your, half your face and stuff, which, don't get me wrong, I love these. These are great. All right. I got 2 of them. Excuse me. But I also have one of these, full face. Hello. Okay. And I wanted to use it. All right. But when I put it on, okay, because you can see how your normal glasses, all right, they're square, okay? They're square. They're just, so they stick out, quite a bit out of your face. And when I put this on, being that this is curved and tight to fit around your face, it's supposed to, contour around your face and your head, it snapped my glasses. Yeah. Great. So, anyways, I went ahead and went to my eye doctor to try to get these fixed. But unfortunately, I had bought these from a different doctor, so they wouldn't do the swap and everything. So, but anyways, no biggie. What I had thought of asking them for is some of those like sports glasses and stuff, or contractor. I don't know what you call them, but glasses that people use that wear like welding mask and all kinds of other stuff like that. And like sports people, they have those plastic glasses that they wrap around your face and not straight across. So that's where these came in handy. Okay. So I took my mask with me to my doctor's, okay? And what they fitted me with, what we found that they had under my insurance, okay, were these WILEY X brand, okay? See? You see how they're nice and round? And they contour around my face. Okay, see? they don't stick out, they go around. All right. And these, I was able to put these on with my mask in front of the doctor, and it worked great. So we went ahead and ordered some. All right. Let me put these back on so I can see what I'm doing. So anyway, now they're all plastic, and they're prescription because I'm blind as a bat. And that was one of the other problems too, is half the time I can't see what I'm doing because my glasses don't fit over like my welding helmet and other stuff like that. You know, so it's real hard for me to see what I'm doing a lot of the times. So we went ahead and we ordered these. You can see how they're contoured. You know, dang, that fly keeps flying around me. All right, see how they're round? All right, as compared to these being flat. All right, let's see. Let me see if I could get the comparison here. Okay, see, round and flat. Okay, so big difference. All right, and so anyways, like I was saying, these wrap around. I can actually put my full face on. They're WILEY X brand. They're the brick. Out of all the styles that they have, this one's called the brick. Okay, and it, you know, it's all plastic. You know, the good plastic and everything. They're prescription. All right, this part right here is just soft rubber. It's got a little hard plastic on the tip, and then hard plastic here where the hinge is at. Okay, the frame itself is hard plastic. It's got the little breather holes. Okay, right there, and you can see how it contours. All right. So, and like I said, this part right here is soft plastic. Rubber. Okay. So, along with the glasses, all right, you get this little foam insert. Okay. Let me set these down real quick. All right. So it's a foam insert. Okay. That fits in. It's got the brick name on it. Oops. What a DPD. And maybe not. Okay. Anyways, it says brick right there. Okay. So, anyways, it's just a soft plastic frame with foam on it. See, and it fits on the inside of your glasses, because the foam part fits up against your skin. It's got two little clips on each end. Let me see if I can focus that on there. So that snap onto your glasses. Okay. And the way they go is right in here, right there, okay, is where the two clips fit. I'll show you how to do it. And they just snap right on in there. Let me get these in there. Okay. And then the other side. All right. And so there you have it. See? That's how it fits. It's a little foam insert that goes around your glasses. All right. And that helps to keep your glasses from fogging up and getting sweaty and all that. And damn, I'm good looking. Anyways, no, that's how it fits. All right. See how it contours around the face? You know, it doesn't like stick out and all that. Okay. So, and aside from aside from the foam, all right, you get this handy dandy carrying case. All right, show you here. WILEY X. All right, good little cleaning cloth. All right, for your lenses. You get this band that goes onto your glasses. So if you need to take them off, they can hang there, or in case you get knocked on the head and they fall off, you won't lose them. Just goes around your neck. It's got a little tightening thingamajigger there with their logo. All right. So there's that little cord. This little info booklet. Okay. And there. Okay. And that's it for that. So anyways, let me show you how it's going to work. All right. So put these bad boys on. Get my full face. Okay. If I can put it on. There we go. Let's tighten it up. I gotta learn how to put this darn thing on. And there went my hearing aid. Yes, I'm Kim Death too. So there we go. That's how that works. And I don't even feel them. I don't even feel like I'm wearing them. The mask fits perfect. Let me get a close up. See, as you can see, it contours with the mask so that there's no, resistance. They don't jab into my face. The foam around it makes it comfortable to wear. They're not fogging up. So anyways, I can breathe. They don't fog up. They feel great. Okay. But this is the way they work. All right. Let me give you a side. Okay. And yes, my almost took off my head my do-rag, but this is just demonstration purposes. So anyways, this is why I got these glasses. And let me tell you, I can't wait to use them. They're great, Plus it'll save me from having to ruin my good glasses. Not that these aren't good, these are great. But what I'm saying is, I'm not going to wear these to go out and everything. These are basically just to use in the shop and when I'm working on everything else. Here, let me get these off here real quick. And they don't yank off when I'm taking my mask off, like my do-rag did. Okay. Yes. That's from having a lot of kids. Just kidding. I love my kids. Trust me. Anyway, so when I go to put, my welding helmet on, or just my clear face shield for when I'm grinding, or when I put on, my full face, okay? I'm not going to be knocking my glasses off, and I'm not going to be pulling this crap, They're not going to be snapping off because, they got stuck inside the mask and I yanked them off. But these are great. And anybody who's had to wear glasses while doing this kind of work and everything has probably at some point in their life run into this problem. Well, I just want to say, see if you can get you a pair of these sports glasses, the kind that contour around your face and everything. And guaranteed, dude, it's a big game changer. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and put the description down on the oh man, I will put down the link in the description for where you can get these at. Okay, and these are called the brick. They have tons of different kinds, you know, and you can just look around at on their website and everything and see what they got, or you can even like find what you want and maybe go see your eye doctor and ask him if he carries that brand, you know, if he carries something similar, you know, that he can fix you up with. And if you're fortunate to have insurance with your eye doctor, you know, you'd be golden on getting these. So anyways, I want to thank everybody for subscribing. Sorry I didn't have a truck video for you today, you know, but you know what? It's the Old Farts Garage. We tinker, we work on anything can happen. And today, what's happening is we got a review for you on eye protection. All right. So thanks again to everybody who subscribes. Thanks for all the likes, the comments, you know, and hopefully, yeah, next week, hopefully I'll have a truck video for you, because I got to get those doors worked on. I got to finish, you know, continue on the, not finish, but, excuse me. I got to continue working on the doors. There we go. Got it out. And anyways, I hope you guys and have a great weekend. And thank you for all, like I said, for all the subscriptions. I'm only 10 people away from having 400 subscribers. I know it's not a lot like a bunch of other, you know, like everybody else has, but I'm having fun with it. And for 400 people to watch my videos, dang, that's pretty good, you know. So y'all have a nice weekend and everything, and hope to see you next week. So God bless.